Yo, what's up? I'm Ryan Mansell, and this is my bike check. I got a Fit Wi-Fi frame, Fit Bike Co. sticker from Van Homan. Yeah, okay. Sputnik headset. It's holding strong. I got it when I got my Death Trap frame, and it's still really good. Stolen Convict V2 stem. I only have it because my brother had it, and I didn't feel like spending that much money on a stem. I mean, it's alright. It was white, I painted it black, as you can see. Stolen cell bars, they're alright too. Once again, my brother had them, so I just put them on. Animal Edwin grips, I had them since the beginning of spring, and they're still holding strong. No holes or anything, they're just a little bit worn in. Animal bar ends, Fit Shiv forks, they're the first version. Cinema 333 front wheel with the G-Sport Gland hub guards. I'm running 2 of those just because they're cheap and they're easy to put on and stuff. Premium Refuse Resist tire, folding one. I mean, they're alright. Like, this one's about really hard. My back one just exploded because I pumped it up to 95 and they go up to 110. But they're alright, I guess. Not really, kind of. Moving on. We got a We the People seat post, integrated seat post clamp, and a Federal fat seat. I highly recommend it. It's really squishy and ow.
Oh, sorry.
It's so comfortable.
As you can tell, very squishy.
Alright, doesn't matter. Come on. Madera Protocol cranks. If you're gonna get the profiles, get these. They're cheaper. And yeah, they're the exact same thing as Profile, because Profile makes all of Madera's parts. Animal Hamilton pedals that I got at the shop from Tyrone Williams. He's a cool guy. Going over here, come on, get that shit. I'm running the Shadow Scream sprocket. It was that like matte highlighter blue color, but I painted it black because that color was gay. It's holding strong, hasn't bent or anything. Mechanic half track chain, pretty good. Now my back wheel is a Profile Mini laced to an Alienation Runaway rim. The hub is amazing. Quick sound check. As you can see, it's pretty loud. In the back, I have an Odyssey P-Light tire, which is like basically flat right now. Oh my god. And another Shadow little one's packaged in the back, and a G-Sport hub guard. And that's my bike. Subscribe.
Let's see a trick.
You want to see a trick? Okay. Whoa! Shouldn't have done over tooth. Okay, stop.